In the last tutorial, we will discuss about HTML with CGI scripting. How we can use a HTML text in a CGI script or in a CGI code like hate, HTML, etc. that are HTML tags. With the use of HTML language, we can make CGI script easily. Now, our next topic of this tutorial is how to get data from the user in a CGI script. Getting data from the user. First, we will see the introduction of getting data from the user. Generating web pages is only half of the story. The other half is getting information from the browser and using that to decide what to display. When a user fills out of a form on a web page, the data they entered is sent to the CGI script as name value pairs. That can be extracted using CGI.pm. Here is an example of how to list all the data that the user entered. We gave a path of C drive with the hash sign C drive Perl bean and Perl.exe. Use CGI standard and print a header part. Print start HTML and into double inverted comma input display. Double quotes complete. For my $P present print $P and param $P and an angular bracket we print BR angular bracket complete and last print and HTML. The details of above coding is the param subroutine will return a list of all parameter names passed to the CGI script if it is called with no arguments. If it is called with an argument, it will return the value of parameter specified. We can also use the program subroutine to see if there was any data submitted at all. Now we are starting with the debugging the CGI script. How to debug a CGI script? CGI scripts are very hard to debug. The error messages get written to a log file, which can be hard to look at. To help with debugging a script that is not working properly, there is a CGI scope resolution and carp module. Somewhere near the top of your CGI place the line use CGI scope resolution carp and into single quotes fatals to browser single quotes complete and semicolon. Now error messages should end up in the browsers being used to view the CGI. In fact, it is very useful to start all CGI script with the following. We gave a path in the C drive with the hash sign Perl bean and Perl.cgi. We use a CGI QW and standard use CGI scope resolution carp QW fatlas to browser and user strict. That makes Paul be as unforgiving as possible and thus make it harder for any error to understand. Thank you.